All right, let's dive into something that's, well, it's pretty mind-bending. An idea that might just change how you see, well, everything. What if the universe itself is a giant memory system?
And that idea, it all boils down to one huge question. And I want you to really think about this for a second. Is anything, anywhere, ever truly gone? Deleted for good?
I mean, on a cosmic scale, it sure seems like it, right? You've got these massive, incredible stars. They burn for billions of years. And then, bam, they just explode. A supernova. Seems pretty final, doesn't it? Like they're just gone.
Okay, let's bring it down to Earth. What about just time? Moments. They just pass, right? Yesterday is history. 5 minutes ago, gone. It really feels like they're lost forever.
And then, of course, on the most personal level, people disappear. We lose them. And that feels like the most absolute, the most permanent kind of deletion there is. But here's the kicker. What if that feeling, that gut intuition that things can just be erased, what if it's completely wrong?
Because, you see, it turns out physics has a very strong opinion on this. There's this fundamental, unbreakable rule that seems to be hardwired into the very fabric of the cosmos, and it totally flips our whole idea of gone forever on its head.
And this is it. It's called the conservation of information. The idea is actually pretty simple, but wow, is it profound. It basically says that the information that makes up, well, anything, it can change, it can get scrambled, but it can never be truly destroyed. Like, ever.
So let's make that a little easier to grasp. You know how we all learned that you can't create or destroy energy or matter? It just changes form, right? Think of ice melting into water, which turns into steam. It's all still H2O, just different. Well, this principle says that information, and by that, physicists mean all the nitty-gritty quantum details about every single particle, it works the exact same way. It just transforms.
Okay, sounds good, right? An unbreakable rule. But there's always a but in physics, and this but was a huge one, a cosmic-sized problem, literally. It's the ultimate challenger to this rule, the black hole paradox. I mean, think about it. Black holes are the universe's ultimate destroyers. No question. Their gravity is just insane. They gobble up stars, planets, you name it. Nothing gets out, not even light. They're like the universe's delete button. So naturally, for a long time, everyone thought, well, if you toss something into a black hole, a book, an asteroid, anything, the information about it is just gone, poof, erased. But hold on. If that's true, then we have a huge problem. What if black holes are the one exception, the one thing in the entire universe that can break that fundamental rule? And that's the paradox that kept scientists up at night for decades. You've got Rule A, information can't be destroyed. And then you've got black holes, which seem to do nothing but destroy information. See the problem? If black holes win, our understanding of physics kind of falls apart. So after years and years of brilliant people arguing about it, the consensus now is staggering. Most scientists believe even these cosmic monsters don't destroy information. It's got to be preserved somehow. Maybe it's scrambled up and leaked back out, or maybe it's encoded on the event horizon. The point is, we think it's still there. Okay, take a breath. Because if even the universe's ultimate destroyers, black holes, can't actually delete anything, what does that mean for everything else? This is where things get really wild. It suggests we might be living in a universe that, by its very nature, remembers. Just let that sink in for a second. That unbreakable rule. If information is truly, absolutely never destroyed, then what does that say about, well, everything that has ever happened? It means every single star that ever exploded, all the information about what it was made of, how it lived, that final, spectacular moment. It means every movement. From a planet spinning in its orbit for 1 billion years to the flutter of an insect's wings. And yeah, it means every single moment you've ever lived, every laugh, every conversation you've had, every fleeting thought that's ever crossed your mind. All of it is still out there. It's encoded somehow in the very fabric of reality. It's not gone. It is just changed form. It's such a powerful way to think about it. We always talk about the universe expanding, right? Just getting bigger and bigger. But maybe that's only half the story. What if, as the universe expands, it also records? So what this all points to is we might have to completely rethink what the universe is. It's not just some big empty stage where stuff happens and then it's over. No, it's an active system, a dynamic hard drive that holds a record of everything. It's a memory system.
And that leaves us with one last, kinda awe-inspiring thought to chew on. If this cosmic memory system really does hold a record of everything that has ever been, every star, every planet, every single moment, do you think it remembers us too?